Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your iPhone and the display for casting. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and Wi-Fi is turned on. Check that the TV or streaming dongle is powered and set to the correct input or app. Update your iPhone to iOS 13 or later for the best AirPlay 2 performance. If you use Chromecast, make sure the Chromecast and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network and the Google Home app is installed. Open the video or audio app that supports casting on your iPhone. Look for the cast icon or AirPlay symbol inside the app and tap it to choose your TV or streaming device. For full screen mirroring, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then select the target device. AirPlay 2 supports multi-room audio and works with compatible smart TVs and HomePods. Chromecast-enabled apps will show a cast icon and prompt selection of if your device does not appear, restart the iPhone, router, and TV or dongle. Confirm both devices connect to the same Wi-Fi frequency band, either 4 GHz or 5 GHz. For wired mirroring, use an Apple Digital AV adapter and an HDMI cable to connect directly to the TV. Install the Google Home app to set up and manage Chromecast devices and verify Chromecast firmware is current. If playback stutters, close background apps on the iPhone and move closer to the Wi-Fi router.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.